Embrace the enigmatic allure of HairLuminance and witness the miraculous effects unfold. Say goodbye to hair loss woes as you delve into its pages, where secrets lie waiting to be revealed. Join the ranks of those who have discovered the transformative power of HairLuminance and embrace a future filled with limitless possibilities. With HairLuminance as your companion, the journey towards vibrant hair has never been more exciting. Let HairLuminance be your guiding light on this transformative journey, and let each page bring you closer to the hair of your dreams. Believe in the magic of HairLuminance, and let your hair become a reflection of your newfound confidence. Experience the transformation firsthand and let HairLuminance unlock the potential within your hair. Take hold of your destiny and embark on a quest like no other. HairLuminance awaits those who dare to seek the truth, offering not just answers, but revelations that will forever change the course of your journey. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of hair transformation, one enigmatic revelation at a time, forging a bond that transcends the boundaries of time and space.